Hi, welcome back to Crock-Pot Empire. I'm Kimberly Bishop and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making Chipotle Barbacoa in the Crock Express multi-cooker. So grab your drink of choice, join me in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. We're going to start off by making the sauce that makes this Chipotle Barbacoa so good. To our food processor or blender, we're going to add 3 chipotles in adobo sauce, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of oregano, a half teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon to a teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and the magical juice of 1 lime, and 1 cup of beef broth. And now we're just going to pulse all of our ingredients together until we reach this consistency. So we've hit the brown saute button on our Crock Express multi-cooker and adding our olive oil so we can brown our meat. And then we'll add 1 diced onion and stir that around. And once our onion is translucent, we'll add our meat into the pot. And once our meat is brown on all sides, we'll add our chipotle sauce right on top. Place the lid on lock. Turn your valve to no venting. Press the meat stew button. Adjust the time to 1 hour, and then press start. Timer goes off. Do an immediate pressure release. And once all of the pressure is released, open it up. And you have Chipotle Barbacoa. Now to make it as close as we can to our favorite restaurant chain, we're going to take it out and shred it with 2 forks. Serve it on a bed of lettuce, in a rice bowl with black beans, or in a burrito or tacos. And remember, you can get the printable recipe card with all the ingredients on my blog at www.crockpotempire.com. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you never miss an episode. See you right back here next time on Crock-Pot Empire.